examples in Java code. 4 pillars of OOP in Java. Java follows object-oriented programming, OOP. The 4 pillars are 1. Encapsulation, 2. Inheritance, 3. Polymorphism, 4. Abstraction. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means binding data and methods together and hiding internal details from outside access. It protects data from misuse. Real-world example. A capsule contains medicine inside it. You cannot see the medicine directly, but you use it safely. How encapsulation is implemented in Java. Make variables private. Access them using public getter and setter methods. Example. You can see the code in our conversation history. Data is safe and controlled. Check inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance means one class acquiring properties and methods of another class. It helps in code reuse. Real-world example, parent-child. Child inherits qualities from parent. Java example, you can see the code in our conversation history. Dog inherits eat from animal. Types of inheritance in Java. Java supports 1. Single inheritance, 2. Multi-level inheritance, 3. Hierarchical inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance using classes to avoid ambiguity. Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means one method behaves in different ways. One name, many forms. Real-world example. A person can be teacher at school, parent at home, customer in shop. Types of polymorphism in Java. 1. Compile-time polymorphism, method overloading. 2. Runtime polymorphism, method overriding. Compile-time polymorphism, overloading. You can see the code in our conversation history. Method decided at compile time. Runtime polymorphism, overriding. You can see the code in our conversation history. Method decided at runtime. Abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction means showing only important details and hiding implementation. Focus on what, not how. Real-world example. When you drive a car, you use steering, brake, accelerator. You don't know engine working. Achieved in Java by 1. Abstract classes, 2. Interfaces. Difference between class and object, class, object, CLA. Blueprint, real instance, logical entity, physical entity, no memory, memory allocated. Example, you can see the code in our conversation history. You can see the code in our conversation history. Car, class C1 object. Method overloading versus method overriding. Overloading. Overriding, same method name, different parameters, same class, parent-child classes, compile time, runtime. Abstract class vis interface. Abstract class interface. Can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Only abstract methods before Java 8. Can have constructor, no constructor. Supports variables, supports constants. Extends keyword, implements keyword. Tasha abstract class example. You can see the code in our conversation history. Interface example. You can see the code in our conversation history. Difference between this and super less refers to current class, refers to parent class. Used to access current variables, used to access parent variables. Calls current constructor, calls parent constructor. Example. You can see the code in our conversation history. Tasha final summary. Encapsulation data hiding, inheritance, code reuse, polymorphism, one method, many forms, abstraction, hide implementation, this current class, super parent class.